Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Shake Shack mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Shake Shack is a food ordering and rewards app designed to make getting your favorite burgers, fries, and shakes more convenient. The app lets you browse the full menu, place pickup or delivery orders, and customize your meal exactly how you like it. You can also join Shack Rewards, earning points for every purchase that can be redeemed for free food and exclusive perks. Available on both iOS and Android, the app makes skipping the line easy with mobile pickup options at nearby locations. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's smooth interface, quick reordering feature, and accurate pickup timing. The rewards program is a big highlight for frequent visitors, letting users enjoy free items and special offers. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional order mix-ups, glitches with reward redemption, and limited delivery availability in certain areas. Internet connectivity issues can also delay updates or tracking. In summary, the Shake Shack app may be worth using if you're a fan of their burgers and want to earn rewards, skip lines, and order more efficiently. However, if you don't visit Shake Shack often or prefer in-person ordering, it may not add much value. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.